Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Play Anything, Download Anything. Smash Road. Confirm your age. I'm 12, so let's go. Smash Road. That's gonna sound so damn bad. That right? Okay. Damn, a lot of cars. I want this car. I want that one. I'm never gonna get that one. It's too legendary. Let's go, bros. I got the driving skills of a banana. Got the driving skills of a orange peel banana. I get wrecked, bro. Drifting on them. Can't catch up to this. You can't touch this. Okay, maybe. Alright, maybe you can touch this. Ow. You're touching this. Stop touching this. No. Let's win a new car. Come on, let's go rare. Let's go rare. Let's go rare. Comment. Epic. What's up? Whoa. We got hot chili. Yo, I actually didn't expect to get this, so I'm happy as heck. Isn't this like Crossy Road? Because it says Smashy Road. Damn, I'm going way too fast. Moving around at the speed of sound. What, rock? Hey guys, how about you guys like that rock music? Oh god. You guys don't like rock music? Okay. No, gosh damn it. I'm busted. I just got busted, guys. I got busted. That sucks. Let's just stay on this thing. It seems like to be no cars right there. Ow. I don't want to deal with you, right, meow? Okay. I said meow by accident. Let's YOLO speed. Let's YOLO speed on this. I'm going really fast. And that wasn't just me that saw a car freaking flailing around, right? Oi, Jesus. Just monster truck Billy. Monster truck Bill. Monster truck Bill. Out, monster truck Bill. Monster truck Bill. Oh, I told that, but oh my god. So the police are named Bob, and then the monster truckers is Phil. It's Phil. Okay. I got Bob. Ow. I think I actually had this game. Ow. I think I actually had this game at one point. But go through poop. Go through poop. Go through poop. They'll never find me in my natural habitat. Okay, maybe they will. Jesus. Hell, you'll never be able to catch me, cappers. Alright, I'm stuck. Hey, Phil! Where the hell did I disappear to? Go! Grr! Damn it! I was so dang close. I was so close to victory. Let's go. Let's go here. Okay. Yeah. That's what's up. Alright, well, let me do the ramp. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, people. I know you guys like my car, but Jesus, I just got new paint. I just got a new paint job. Jeez, back off. Oh, you can't drift like this. You can't drift like that. Yay! Oi. Hey. No, not Phil, not Phil. Phil, bro. Phil. Waffles. Oh! Through the middle of both of them. Alright, guys, we got 3 stars. Grand Theft Auto, open this, Phil. I'll give you $10. I'll give you $10. I'll give you $10. Oh, get freaking wrecked, Phil. Bob. Thank you, Phil. Phil's the savior right here. Phil legit just saved me. I thought I was about to die. None of you people can just like that. Whoa, oi, oh my god. Phil, take it easy. Oh my god. Phil. Hey, I got wrecked. Hey, I see George right there. George is the giant truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got 6 stars, so I think we did pretty good. You know, since we got hot. Hey, yo, that was a sick drop though. I don't care that the cop almost got me. That was a sick jump. Can't drift like this. Check it out. Yeet! Okay, yeah, no yeet. Okay. Timber! Let me go in too. It's a pool party. I thought I was about to go. I thought I could spin around, but I couldn't. I legit messed up. None of you people can drift like this. Alright, watch. I'm about to get some speed and then I'm about to go and a couple Come on guys, follow me. It's a pool party. It's funny how they just follow me. They're like little puppets. Legit, like their AI is just set to get wrecked. Let's go. They should totally make an online version of this. I'm just saying. Alright, come on, run. Moving around at the speed of sound. Oh my gosh, I think I'm about to fall or something. Whoa! That drift was crazy, you gotta admit. Alright, you guys are starting to. Yo, Bob. Henry, George, all of you people. Back away. Alright, oh my god, I did a flip. Did you just see that? One of the cops literally just flipped over me. I like this game. I think I actually might keep this one. I deleted a rope. Hero rope or something, whatever the hell it's called. I mean, it was a fun game. But I would, hold up. Hey! Oh! Get destroyed. Nino. Alright, that's a rock. Yo, you guys like this rock music? Ha. I'm funny. Psych, okay, yeah, psych, okay, no. Yo, Bob, Phil just drops in like, sup, guys? Phil just drops in, I don't know where. Hope you guys enjoying the videos. I just didn't upload that much because I really didn't have anything to I really didn't have anything to, you know, actually record because, you know, all the games that I've played already, I've already played already. But yeah, now I'm training out. Dang, bro, I got the damn. Can't do this. Whoa. Oi. One of the cups almost fell through. Okay, Phil. I'm about to ram through anything and everything. Hey, we're in the desert. Sweet. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god. What? I went in between. Oh my gosh. That guy literally just got destroyed. And once again. Hey, you guys want me? Psych! Well, we got a Hebel couple. We got a Hebel couple. Can't catch what you did. Hey Phil. I mean, Bob. Your names are so confusing. Alright, we're at 3 stars. Oh my gosh, Phil's coming out. Army of Phils are coming out. Jesus. Yo, I'm surprised this car is very durable. What? How does that Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I thought okay. They'll never find me here. Ah, I got wasted. I got busted, not wasted. I'm not playing Grand Theft Auto here. Yeah, I think I actually might keep this game. I find it interesting. Dash fun to just mess around with those cops because their AI is just magnificent, obviously. Ramp. Yeah, you never. They legit just dodged me. Oh no, I got busted. I think I might record like 2 download anything today, so yeah. We're looking forward to that. Ow! I like Chinese food, but geez, this is a fancy one. Destroy everything. Oh, get wrecked. Yo. Am I singing the alphabet or something? What the hell am I doing? Go, ram through everything. Ram. Boom. Boom. Get out my way. Yo, I don't care. I want that money. I just saw one of the cops go straight into the water. Oh, we are in an airport. I want an airplane. No, you can't catch me. You caught me. Alright, but yeah, whatever, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, as you guys can see, I am actually really enjoying the series, so I'm gonna keep it going. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.